In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to rhyme better in rap by breaking rhyme schemes. A rhyme scheme is when a rhyme is placed relatively in the same location for at least 2 bars. And an internal rhyme is when you rhyme with 2 words within a bar, but you do not carry over that rhyme into the next bar. And one of the most common reasons why rappers' rhyme schemes aren't sounding good is because they're not keeping track of where their rhymes are being placed from one bar to the next. And this will cause their rhyme schemes to lack structure, and it'll be chaotic, and it's going to be very difficult for the listener to follow along with or make sense of. Here's an example of some lyrics that I wrote where the rhyme scheme is structured very poorly, and it's going to be followed by another version of the lyrics where the rhyme scheme is structured much more better. And the beat that I'm going to be using today is an instrumental that I produced called Bounty Hunter. If you like this instrumental, I'll post a link to it in the video description below. Now let's check it out. I wonder why my rhymes don't sound good. Maybe I should watch some Cold Minds videos so I can learn to be a better rapper now, and then maybe I'll learn how to sound a lot better. I wonder why my rhymes don't sound good. Cole be dropping in videos, so maybe I should start tuning in to be a better rapper now, and maybe with some practice I may just learn how. Now that you understand the importance of structuring your rhymes and keeping track of where they're placed, let's talk about numbers. It's typically best to keep your rhyme schemes going for an even number of bars, such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, etc. And if your rhyme scheme is an odd number of bars, such as 3, 5, 7, or 9, then it's going to sound incomplete and it's going to be very unsatisfying to the listener. But as I often say, when it comes to rap, there's no rules. There's only techniques, and this is a perfect example of that right now. Well, I'm about to show you a trick that's going to allow you to break your rhyme scheme, making it an odd number, but making it sound complete and awesome at the same time. You can achieve this by creating a 4-bar rhyme scheme, but then breaking your rhyme scheme on the 3rd bar and filling that 3rd bar in with a new internal rhyme. Let's take a listen to how that sounds. I wonder why my rhymes don't sound good. Cole be dropping in videos, so maybe I should start tuning in, begin to pick my pen, and then rock the crowd like no other rapper now could. Now let's talk about why this sounds good. We have an odd number rhyme scheme, so it should sound incomplete, but it doesn't. Why does it work? Let's discuss. The reason this works is because I broke the rhyme scheme on the 3rd bar of a 4-bar rhyme scheme. So before I broke it, I already completed a 2-bar rhyme scheme, so everything felt complete before I broke it. So when I created an internal rhyme on the 3rd bar, the listener is thinking I'm creating a new rhyme scheme, but in fact, I'm not. However, I've given them a payoff because I created an internal rhyme on the 3rd bar. And then on the 4th bar, I rhymed the word then on the 1st beat with bar 3's internal rhyme scheme of the end sounds. And this move right here, take note, is always a great way to transition between 2 different rhyme schemes. And then when I complete my rhyme scheme on the 4th bar, the listener is realizing for the first time what I've actually done. Now, your normal listener won't intellectually understand what happened. They'll just know that they thought you were going to do one thing, but in fact you did another, but it still sounded really good. I wonder why my rhymes don't sound good. Cole be dropping in videos, so maybe I should start tuning in, begin to pick my pen, and then rock the crowd like no other rapper now could. This is like performing a magic trick on the listener, and it's very satisfying. Now, if you're someone who struggles with keeping track of where your rhymes are placed from one bar to the next, or maybe even where each syllable or word is placed within each bar, I created a free tool called Bar Sheets to help you do just that. And I've also created a video tutorial to go along with it to show you how to structure your rap lyrics correctly and also how to use these bar sheets correctly. And I'll post links to all of these things in the video description below. My name is Cold Minds with ColdMindsStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.